to get when we want it. Hold on tight. We waited long for this moment. It will be alright.
Good morning, everybody. We are on vacation. Woo! Officially. We are on our way to Starbucks, of course, and then we're gonna get some gas and meet our sister-in-law, well, my sister-in-law, his sister, and brother-in-law, and we're going to Galveston. We're gonna be at the beach for the next like 5 days, 4 days. Is it like 4 days? Yeah, something like that. I gotta get better at filming. I like keep talking and it's like just my mouth. But we're super excited. It's going to be us and then John's parents, and maybe another one of John's sisters. We wish everyone could come, but John has a huge family and so it's really hard to meet everyone's schedules. But we're super excited. This will be Paul's first beach trip, and so I thought it would be fun to do daily vlogs for each of the days we're here. So this is number 1. John is in the best mood as per usual. What are your thoughts on this? Super cool, super cool. How you doing, Paul? I don't even. I can't even see you. We got our Starbucks. Iced latte, as usual. John got a little breakfast sandwich and what is this called again? It's dessert.
With double chocolate chip frappuccino.
Double chocolate chip frappuccino. This band is, what's the name?
Meek Tango.
And everyone should go look them up because it's John's favorite band ever.
They're fantastic.
Listen to them. Say hey to my 5 subscribers. Woo! Okay, Reese is here too. Say hey, everybody. Okay. All right, everybody. We went to the Texas Burger. Paul got the chicken fingers. I got the #1, just regular cheeseburger. What'd you get, John?
Food.
What'd you get?
Food. It's a burger.
What kind of burger?
The kind you eat.
Stop.
Ow, don't hit, I'm doing something. Hold on.
He got the bacon burger.
Yeah, Texas burger.
Thank you for your support, Reese.
Kids meal chicken fingers.
Dang, you and Paul are twins. Paul, you just gonna eat the ketchup or what? All right, everybody. We are pulled over for the 3rd time, which is super exciting. We got lunch, as y'all saw, and then we pulled over because Paul was having like a meltdown because he's teething. He has some new teeth coming in, and so he's just in a lot of pain. So we stopped and changed his diaper and gave him some medicine and stuff. And now we're pulling over because Reese put his, what is this?
Air, like smell. Roll down the window and just take a whiff.
Ew. Houston, Texas.
Is that like the norm?
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, and now Reese's clothes are on top of his car and it is currently raining. So we pulled over for the last time and we are 44 minutes away. So hopefully we get there soon. But we just looked at the weather report and it's supposed to be raining all weekend pretty much. So hopefully that changes, because the weather people never really know what they're talking about. Sorry if you're a weather person. But we are on our way. Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want, and I've waited for so long. You're just not the girl for me. I'm in love with Stacy's mom. Yes.
So long that even Ezekiel thinks that my mind is gone. I'm a man of the. If I finish all of my chores and you finish thine, then tonight we're gonna party like it's
$16.99. Galveston. This is just the trees. There we are.
Yeah.
This is day one. I like the bridge. Look at that fossil.
Look at the wall on the bridge.
That's what I was doing. I was like,
I'm always one step ahead of you.
it's okay, you're pretty. Hey everybody, we are finally at the beach house. I'm going to go ahead and end today's vlog, and I will show y'all the house we're staying at tomorrow. So, everybody say bye. There's Reese. Let me focus. Okay, bye Rachel. Paul, or John. Yes. And Paul, of course, is already asleep. And Sarah is joining us, but that's later. And John's parents are gone too, so.